I'm Scott Hall, Assistant Parts and Service Director for Shelor Motor Mile in Christiansburg, Virginia. We are a 10 new car franchise dealer with a large used car operation as well. We have bulk oil in approximately 7 different locations, one of which is 30 miles away from our dealership. We're constantly battling trying to keep track of inventory for each of those products. We found by the time that we dipped and measured each tank, before we could correct inventory, it was already out of date. While searching for a solution on Google, I found TankScan, compared it to several different systems, and found them to be the most attractive. Installation was easy. We had several custom requests that were accommodated immediately. So now I can see at the touch of a button my inventory live at every location. I've found that it has saved us lots of man hours for doing inventory and the accuracy of being able to correct any problem right then and there. I cannot say anything else about TankScan except buy with confidence now.